Hello friends, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding the new program for the permanent residents that Canada government is going to launch. There will be 6 new immigration programs for international graduates, essential workers and the French speakers. IRCC going to introduce pathway for 90,000 international student graduates, essential worker in Canada to become the permanent resident plus an unlimited number of French speaking applicants. Uh, if we go more into the detail about this program, essential worker international student graduates and the French speaker in Canada will have 6 new pathways to become permanent resident that is going to start in the month of May. It will be start on May the 6th of this year 2021. This new program will be for temporary worker employed in hospitals, long-term care homes, and those on the front line of other essential sectors such as well as the international student graduates from Canadian education institution. As of May 6th, IRCC will being starting accepting application for the following 3 streams. There will be 20,000 applications for temporary workers in healthcare, 30,000 for temporary workers in other selected essential occupations, and 40,000 applications for internationals who graduated from Canadian education institution. This stream is going to open until November the 5th of this year, or the government will receive their limited number of categories or the application. These new public policy apply to workers in the 40 healthcare codes as well as 95 other essential job codes across the range of fields like caregiving, food production, distribution, cashiers, frontline supervisors, agriculture managers, agriculture field workers, regular field laborers, truck drivers. The good thing is that uh, the IELTS required for this category is only 4 bands in each category. If you have 4 band or more in any of those categories and you follow the under all other criterias, then you are simply eligible to apply for this case. 1 year of work experience is required and is going to start on May the 6th till November the 5th of this year. 90,000 open applications. As I mentioned, like 20,000 from temporary worker in healthcare, 30,000 temporary worker in other categories, and 40,000 for international student graduate from a Canadian education institution. So if you fall under any of those categories, you are eligible to apply for this category starting on May 6th. Make sure all your paperwork is ready because this is a first come, first serve basis program. It's not going to wait for anybody who is going to get their documents done from West. So make sure all your paperwork is done, and if you still want to apply for IELTS, go ahead and do that. Simple application, very simple program. Send your application, complete application. You can also add your family members into this program. If your family is staying outside of Canada, you can also add them as a dependent, your child, your spouse in this category. And very simple program, it'll be a really quick program to get everybody their permanent resident. As I mentioned in my previous videos that in the year of 2020, government of Canada was short of 180,000 applicants for the PR. So I mentioned in those videos that they are going to bring some kind of program. So there is another one for 90,000 plus application. They got 27,000 application in February under the CEC category. So this is 127,000 or 117,000, sorry. So there is still a gap of like 60 to 70,000 applicants. So there will be some kind of another program that's coming pretty soon. So you guys must keep your things ready, and if whenever it'll come, simply apply for that case. If you want our company to apply your case, you can simply contact us under in the description. The numbers The email IDs are all given over there and will help you with that. So that was a little update about the new program that is coming in month of May, the 2021 for the permanent residents. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.